Hello, and welcome back to Greek philosophy for sophomore high school students here at Canton McKinley High School. And we are going to continue our discussion on the Greek philosophers. And today we're going to talk a little bit about Plato and in this workshop. So, what we're going to do, we're going to examine Plato's educational philosophy through his allegory of the cave. We're going to focus on his idealistic approach to education and its modern implications. We're going to explore how abstract concepts like freedom and justice can advance a society through education. And we're going to talk a little bit about how we can free ourselves from the shackles of ignorance. For context, Plato was an ancient Greek philosopher, and he holds immense historical significance as a foundational figure in Western thought. He was a student of Socrates, who was also a mentor, and the teacher of Aristotle. And this is very interesting, this teacher student relationship here, because although they didn't necessarily butt heads, there was a significant difference in their two educational philosophies. And Plato was very much a idealist, and he believed that abstract ideas were necessary to advance society, ideals such as freedom and justice. Where, on the other hand, Aristotle was very much realistic. He believed that learning happened through observation, books, knowledge, and things like that. So two significantly different and contrasting educational philosophies there. And the philosophical foundations that were influenced by Plato were including politics, metaphysics, and epistemology. Plato's writings, particularly in the dialogues, are seminal works that explore foundational questions about justice, truth, and the nature of reality. Plato also founded the Academy, which is considered to be the first Western university, and it played a crucial role in the development of higher learning. Some of the core educational beliefs of Plato included abstract ideas are as real as physical objects. Education should focus on the universal truths, and freedom and justice are essential teaching concepts. And again, knowledge extends beyond the observable phenomenon. So, some core concepts of the allegory of the cave. Prisoners are chained in a cave, unable to free themselves. The puppeteers are walking along the parapet, and they cast shadows on the wall behind. Some key elements where the prisoners can only see the shadows on the wall. The real objects remain unseen, or the things outside of the cave. Echoes and shadows constitutes prisoner's reality. So, in addition to some of his other ideals are still debatable today. You can see it in how society chooses education for their students. For example, is Common Core is still being debated? Why do some choose higher education and not? Some other themes to Plato include education, symbolism, and knowledge. Educational themes include student motivation and teacher relationship. And as mentioned, the teachers are the ones that have left the cave and returned to break the chains of the oppressed. And this motivation is through love. And then that's where the challenges come to convincing others to see the unseen truths. Teachers delivers truth. that being the last theme, and the dynamic of them confronting the fear of coming to light and breaking free of the chains of ignorance.